I recently uploaded a bunch of YouTube videos of me cleaning my rental with my kids with me. It wasn't too good of an experience doing with kids, but it was better than I thought. It wasn't too bad. So I want you to know that this is something that I've never done before. I just had the courage, and I'm someone that like to challenge myself, and I went ahead and did it. One of the reasons why I did it was because if I had to pay somebody to come in and clean that property, given the fact that it was really dirty, I've never seen it that dirty before. I think this is the second time I've had it that nasty before. The first time I had a horrible tenant who messed it up, and then had to call a cleaning company. They did the job. This time I had to handle myself. Like I said, if I had to pay somebody to come in and deep clean and clean the entire property, it would have cost me almost $1,000. And obviously I didn't have the financing because I've not been having rental income from it for a while now. So I had to take matters to my own hands. And like I said, I'm really impressed by what I did. It took me 2 days to do it, 7 hours in total. And I cleaned it to my taste. So the fact that I've cleaned it now, it's opened my eyes. I know that the next time if I want to get cleaners, I know the type of areas that I'm going to get the cleaners to handle. I know that if I know when the garage or the basement is going to need cleaning or dusting, you know, I dusted and everything, so I know all those key areas. And so if someone is coming to clean it next time, I'm going to give detailed instructions and they're going to clean the property well. I have always had cleaners clean it every 3 months or so, and when they clean it, they mostly focus on the carpet, the kitchen area, and the bathrooms. So all of those little areas, the patio that I cleaned, the garage that I swept, that the only thing I didn't do was to dust the garage, but I dusted the basement. The basement was awful, was nasty. So I really put in a lot of physical work into it. In fact, after cleaning that property, I had to take a lot of days to just kind of recover, because physically and everything, it was really strenuous for me. So if I had to pay a company to come and clean that property, like I said, it would not have been less than $1,000. So I'm glad that I did it, and I was physically able and mentally able to do it, especially having my 2 toddlers who most of the time always scream or always are loud. So thank you very much. For anybody that is watching that video, I want you to please make sure that you're clicking on liking the videos and you're commenting on it. So far, most of the videos have pretty good views, and I'm waiting for the videos to get more views. I have one more video, and the last one to upload, which is going to be the bathroom, main bathroom upstairs that I cleaned. And then after that, my main house that I will live in, I intend to do the same thing. I have to deep clean this house too, because I have not dusted some areas for a very long time, so I need to dust it, and it will be section by section too. I will dust, I will deep clean this place, I will wash the windows myself, and like I said, probably next month, because I have to recover and make sure that I am in a good space mentally and physically to do that. And when I'm doing that, I have to do it when my kids are napping, so they are not on the way in my video, they are not noisy, or they are not loud. So that will be a little less stressful, because it is my home. I have more control. I can do it during nap time. So stay tuned for those videos. They are going to be very excellent videos. It's going to be in the same format as the other videos, but it's going to be less noise, less loud, or less screaming with my kids, or less back and forth with me and my kids, because like I said, I'm going to have a lot of control over the cleaning, and I'm going to clean it during their nap time so that it's peaceful, it's calm, and it is intense. But like I said, I have to dust, because it's very important to stay in the house that is well dusted. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching those videos, and please keep watching those videos, comment on them, like them, and stay tuned for more cleaning videos from me. Bye.